Solar power installations.
The sun is the ultimate source of energy. Let us help you tap into its potential with solar power. Accessories we used are 4 panels of 400 watts each, 24 volts, 3 kilowatt hybrid inverter, and 2 lead-acid batteries of 220 amp hours. Appliances to power our television, home theater, PS5, 2 fans, lightings, blender, refrigerator, washing machine, and electric fence. In our company, we value the safety of our team. This is why we use our safety devices. We also install protection devices for the safety of your systems against surge, ground fault, arc fault, overcurrent, and as you can see, our installations are very neat.
Oh, wow. Wow. Come on, take a look at the installations. What are you waiting for? Share this video. Your friends and family may be interested.
Got